don't have my size, but we do have a size 9 in this piece. So I don't know about y'all, but I think today was a success. We got some Jamba Juice peanut butter mood, if you wondering. I swapped the bananas for more peanut butter, in case y'all asking. This should be slapping. I used to work at Jamba Juice, in case y'all ain't know. Oh shit, y'all not ready for that, yo. Peanut butter mood. If y'all love peanut butter and chocolate, damn. Hey, what's up, family? Today we back in the studio with another banger, and this one we managed to cook up from JD Sports. I got the kicks in here, but before we get into it, leave a like on this video if you cooked up on anything sneaker related in the past month, and subscribe to the channel for more sneaker or streetwear content. Hey, just help me out, help me reach 19,000. Let's get straight into these sneakers. We got the Jordan 4 box. Y'all already know what time it is. I did get them in a size 9, unfortunately, so I might have to do a size swap for these. Homie at my local resale store said they're gonna have some sizes in a little bit, so just go ahead and check. So I'm gonna do that, but right now let's get into these shits. First look, you got the Red Thunder Jordan 4s. These look hard, bro. Definitely, woo. These shits is fire. I don't care what nobody says, these shits is hard. Jordan 4 Red Thunders, these are actually beautiful, bro. The red just looks so nice. I remember when the original Thunders came out, like a dumbass, I didn't go for them, and I honestly wish I would have, because these Red Thunders are hard. If I would have had the Thunders in my collection, I would have done a comparison video. I love the way that the red is on these sneakers. I just feel like it's something different. It's a different pattern for the Jordan 4. That's why I always felt like this one was gonna do good in the future, specifically because they're gonna do more colors like this. The black and red Jordan 4, like, bro, come on, you cannot go wrong with that shit at all. So honestly, first opinions in hand, I feel like these are beautiful. Suede materials used on the Red Thunder are definitely better than the breads. These breads, the most recent ones, honestly have trash materials. Maybe that's just my opinion, but I feel like these right here don't really have the best nubuck. These, on the other hand, have way better quality. This is brushable suede. This shit feel rough as f. And it's not because I've worn my shits. No, I don't think it's because of that. From the get, these shits weren't the best quality. But as of lately, what I've been seeing, there's a lot of better materials being put onto Jordan 4s. I know I'm not tripping, bro. It's even more dark. Like, look, deadass. I know they're dirty and shit, but like, trust me, bro. They still came in like this same color. These shits are black. This is almost like a grayish black, if that makes sense. Let me know. So right here, we got the Jordan 4 Red Thunders. This is basically the part 2 to the Thunders that they released in like 2012, 13, 14, around that time. And if I'm being honest, this is a really nice part 2. I feel like they could have done this worse, but they decided to go with a solid color, especially for JB, black and red. You feel me? You cannot go wrong with these shits. At the end of the day, these are going to be worth some money. I feel like it's a new colorway, it's something fresh, and it does look nice, at least to me. The materials are on point. I may be tripping, but there's kind of like different tones of red going throughout it. Even on the tag, it says black and multicolored. The inside is almost like an infrared. This part right here looks like a slightly darker tone. This is matte. This is like a red, but it's like a matte red. I don't know how to explain it, but these definitely do look really clean in person. I'm excited to see what I can pull these off with. Unfortunately, I don't have my size yet, but I will really shortly. Let me know in the comments if you think I should trade these for my size in these, or for the Lightning 4s. Which would you trade it for? I'm still debating on which to get. I don't know. This is a clean colorway, but at the end of the day, Lightning 4s, like, come on, bro, you cannot go wrong with those. Spam 1 to size swap these, spam 2 for Lightnings instead of these. Just let me know in the comments what y'all would do. Honestly, I really need y'all help. So the Red Thunders in my size right now are going for $327. What the f? Honestly, I never thought Jordan 4s would be doing this good. They used to go for like $240, $250. Retail on these is $190, and I feel like profit is there 100%. These go hard though. At the end of the day, I've been saying I'm trying to get my Jordan 4 collection up, and this might be the way. So let's do a quick run through on the sneaker. So the midsole has this red tone going all around it and on the front. Then the rest of the outsole has that black. Mesh has the red with the wiring being in that black color. Jumpman on the back. Obviously this isn't an OG colorway, so they are gonna slap the Jumpman on there. Flight in red. There's a white Jumpman on the inside. And as far as the details go, that's pretty much it for the sneaker. I feel like this is gonna be one that through time goes up in value. These are going for $327 right now. I feel like they're gonna stay right above 300 and then they're gonna go up unless there's like hella restocks coming, which I honestly doubt. There might be like a little bit of restocks here and there, foot sites here and there, you feel me? But nothing too major for these. That's just my opinion. I feel like all pairs that were supposed to go out went out. Maybe I'm not informed, and if there's more news along the way, I definitely will keep you guys posted. All Jordan 4s as of late have been doing great as long as it's a good color, you feel me? Like this is a solid color. Black and red for Jordans does good no matter what, and I feel like this right here is a great execution, smart idea to be honest, because there was already the Thunders out there with that different pattern on the Jordan 4, which is something that I'm emphasizing. Remember I said that because there's gonna be more colors with this same style right here. I know that it's coming for sure, bro. They're gonna do a court purple type shit with this. I don't know why that's the first color that came to my head, but just remember I said that. These go hard though. Honestly, glad I could have these in my collection. I have the fire reds, the breads, and now I have these. Hopefully I can size swap them for my size because I really do want these in the collection. But overall, what would you rate this sneaker right here? In my opinion, I would say this is an 8.8, maybe a 9 out of 10. I do like the way that it looks. I feel like maybe it's not the most subtle looking sneaker. Mainly black, some red, cannot go wrong. Little hints of white on there. Definitely a solid release. This was supposed to release hella long ago, like October, November type shit, and shipments have been all over the place, so this sneaker didn't make it to the public until now. I feel like they were trying to do it right. Luckily I did secure on JD. We cooked up. I just need a size swap. Is it worth the $50? That's all I want to know. I feel like resell for these in the next year or so is probably gonna go up by 100 to 200, maybe even more. This is a clean color. There's more Jordan 4s that are gonna bring the hype up even more for Jordan 4s, so some of the ones that released in the past are definitely gonna catch that little wave and it's only gonna go up. Honestly wish I could throw them on feet, but I can't, unfortunately. They're not my size yet. But yeah, man, I think that pretty much does it for this video. Let me know what y'all thought about this one. Did you end up cooking up this morning? Did you want these at all? Did you pass on these because you ain't even like them? Let me know in the comments what y'all thought. Should I trade these for $50 to get my size or trade them for Lightning 4s? Comment 1 for these, 2 for Lightnings. And hey, leave a like on this video for more sneaker content. Y'all see the efforts on the channel. I've been trying, bro. Subscribe to the channel if you want sneaker and streetwear content. Click them post notification bells. With all that being said, bro, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.